أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما، اللهم فقهنا في الدين، آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah Al-Zilzal. Okay. First I'm going to recite the surah. After that let's look into tajweed rulings inshallah. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into tajweed the rulings of these ayahs. Okay. And number 1, إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها. إذا, zal, which no buzzing sound. Okay, there is a za here in this word and also in this word. You can see there are 3 zas in this ayah, but here the letter is a zal which no buzzing sound. But if you pronounce it with buzzing sound like iza, then that will convert into this za, which can change the meaning, or this it will make this word meaningless. Okay, so how to pronounce it? Iza zulzilati. This za now has a buzzing sound. Okay, there are 4 zas here, right? Yeah. Zulzilati, zulzilati. Okay, with a buzzing sound. Sifat al-safir. Ardu. Connect this ta to this lam. إذا زلزلت الأرض. Ardu. Ra sakin is heavy due to this fatha before it. Dad is a heavy letter. Make both heavy, but don't recite this hamza heavy like o. Okay, it should be Ardu. Ardu. Ra sakin and dad both must be heavier. Zilzalaha. Zil, same thing again. Both the za with the buzzing sound. Zilza, 2 haraka. Laha, again this should be for 2 count. Mad al, asli, that is alif maddiya, wa maddiya, ya maddiya. That will be always for 2 count even while stopping. Okay, inshallah. So you will pronounce it like zilzalaha, 2 haraka. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وأخرجت is heavier with sakin but don't make that hamza heavy like o. Okay, just a kha. وأخرجت را heavier with fatha. وأخرجت الأرض ra sakin heavier, and also dal should be heavy here. Ardu, with the sides of your tongue, edges of your tongue, that is a hafatul lisan. Don't pronounce it like dal. The pressure should be in the left and right edges of your tongue. Ardu. Athqalaha. No whistling sound in this letter sa. If you pronounce it with a whistling sound, that will convert into seen. You cannot change any letter in the Quran, right? Just pronounce it like s, not us. Athqalaha. Qa, 2 count. Ha, 2 count. Athqalaha. And also qaf should be heavier, not a qa or a kha. It is a qa. وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها وقال not قال, it should be heavier. استعال حروف المستعلية. وقال الإنسان إخفى to count غنة should be done while hiding it like إنسان ما لها ما to count لها ها for two حركة. Okay, فتحة ضمة كسرة around always one حركة, that is one count. But alif maddiya, waw maddiya, ya maddiya, when they're in the state of madul asli, then you have to pronounce them for just two haraka. Okay. وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها يومئذ تحدث Yawma, not yawma. Yawma-idhin, no buzzing sound. And this tanween here will be, will pronounced with ikhfa. Two haraka gunna, hiding that nasalization. Yawma-idhin tuhaddithu. No buzzing sound in this letter dal. Yawma-idhin tuhaddithu. Have a sharp and a tha with no whistling sound. يومئذ تحدث أخبارها not the it should be a little heavier, but don't make that hamza heavy. أخبارها Ra is heavy and this alif maddiya in both the places, letter ba and ha for two count stretch. Okay, يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها بأن نون مشدد كان غنة ربك ra heavier, emphasize this ba with tashdid, put a stress on it. ربك أوحى لها أو not o, it should be أو واو lean. This ha very sharp, two count, alif مخصورة. There is alif صغيرة here standing fatha, it is alif مخصورة. أو ha very sharp. Laha, this ha is with a blunt sound. There is a difference in these two has, right? If you interchange them, then the meaning of a word can either change or become meaningless. So make sure to pronounce this ha with a sharp sound. Aw ha laha, blunt sound. Okay, both for two to count, inshallah. بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم يومئذ يصدر يوم not يوم إذن tanween followed by ya, do idgham with two count gunna and also zal with no buzzing sound. Don't read it yawma izin, not a z, it is a the. Yawma idhin ya, dhin ya, nasalization there. Okay, two count gunna. Yawma idhin yas. Ya is light, sod is heavy. Don't recite it like yos, not yo, ya, yes. As soon as you go to sod, do isti'ala. Rise the back portion of your tongue, make it heavy. Yes, but not to yo, yes. Okay, yes, duru, yes. Okay, يومئذ يصدر الناس. Ra is also heavy with dhamma. You're making a ra with fatha heavy, very easy, but with dhamma it is a little difficult, but you have to make it heavy even there. يصدر ru. Okay, sad heavy, ra heavy. Dal and ya must be light. يومئذ يصدر الناس. Nun mushaddad to kan gunna. Alif maddiya to count stretching. So 4 haraka for this one letter. Yasdurun nasu ashtata ta to haraka. This is a tan, fathatan. But if you want to stop here due to this alamatul waqf, this is ayat kufi, you can stop, and this says you should not stop. If you want to stop, you can, but while stopping, you will apply the ruling of mad al-iwad, like ashtata. If you want to connect, then that will be idgham with no gunna. Ashtatal, tal, directly tal with no noon sound there. Okay, ashtatal liyuraw, liyuraw, kasra, ضمة and فتحة. ليuraw, raw with فتحة with waw lean here, so raw should be heavier, and aw sound. ليuraw, raw, not raw. Raw is wrong. ليuraw أعمالهم. Don't pronounce the ayn with a jerk sound like that is wrong. It should be like pushing your epiglottis backward. Just push it. Push it for a little while. أعمالهم, أعمالهم. Okay, meme fatu haraka, lahum. Have the blunt sound from the last part of your throat, and meme has sakin already on it. So while waqf, it will remain same, nothing to change there, inshallah. And also with izhar, no extra gunna. Okay, fine. يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره. فمن, but noon sakin followed by ya, idgham with 2 count gunna, merge this noon into ya. فمن ya, فمن ya, that gunna of 2 count should be there. فمن يعمل, ya, ayn again, that should be clear, not yamal. Amal, ayn, meme, lam is compulsory here. فمن يعمل, يعمل مثقال, not miss. Miss is wrong, no whistling sound. This has no sifat of safir. Myth, lot of hums. مثقال, not qala or khala. مثقال, 2 count. مثقال, heaviness. Okay, مثقال ذرة, no buzzing sound in dhal, and ra should be heavier. ذرة, ra should be emphasized as well. Don't recite it like ذرة. ذرة, ذرة. Tanween followed by huruf al-halqi, throat letter kha, so no extra gunna, just izhar. ذرة خيرا يره. خيرا, kha is heavy, and also I kind of sound for yaleen, not a khaira. Khay is wrong, it should be a khay. Khayra. Tanween is followed by ya, do idgham here. Khay, and also pronounce ra heavily. Khayran yarah, yarah, ra heavy. Yarah, this madal sila soghra, that ha with this inverted dhamma will convert into ha sakina. Okay, while stopping, that ha sound should be clearly audible. Yarah, yarah. Don't miss to pronounce that. That can change the meaning. Okay, if you don't pronounce this ha, the pronoun ha, that should be there. Fine. فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. شرا يره. Okay, here again idgham. ومن يعمل, same, just like here there is fa and wow. Don't interchange them, especially when you memorize this surah. This is the common place where you can do mistake. First is faman, then is woman. Okay, first is about the khair, then second is about the shar, which we do. Fine, the good and the bad. ومن يعمل, ومن يعمل, ya. ومن يعمل, again ayn should be clear. مثقال, not miss. مثقال ذرة, dhal with no buzzing sound. ذرة, ra heavy, and here we do ikhfa. Okay, tanween followed by sheen. Here we just did izhar. ذرة خيرا. Here ذرة شر. That means we don't do any gunna here, extra gunna, but we do it here. ذرة شر يره. شر يره. Same thing here, we do idgham with 2 count gunna. Okay, ra is heavy, ha with sakina while stopping. ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. That is it. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning Surah Al-Zilzal, which you will recite tomorrow, fine, inshallah. So you can ask me any doubts if you have any. If not, let's end the meeting, inshallah. Any doubts with the tajweed rulings of these ayahs? No? Okay, let's end the meeting inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakum Allahu khairan.